that little fella doesn't want a haircut. The walk by the riverside, yeah. Oh yeah. Let's do a walk. Okay, welcome to our life in the Philippines. We're up here visiting with some of Janice's relatives, and we're gonna do a little vlog, hanging around, doing nothing, just having fun. Lisa here, she's vlogging too. What's the name of your blog?
Latsi Vlog, follow me guys.
Latsi Vlog, okay. So a little shout out to Lisa. I'll put it in the description, a link to the blog. So,
Thank you.
all right. She's doing well. When did you start?
Last year, no?
Last year, and you got 3,000. You're growing faster than we do. That's not fair. All right. Well, that's good. That means you're doing good. That means you're doing a good vlog. All right. So let's go.
Yeah, okay, let's go.
Keep an eye on my phone. Are you coming with us?
No.
No. Why are you not coming with us? I've been exercise with her. She's tired. Where are you gonna do a jogging?
Inside CDC Park.
All right, so we go up to the park later. Okay. All right, so let's walk. Keep an eye on my phone, please. All right. Where we go? Now you're my tour guides. Come on, let's go.
I have a channel. Why did you promote my channel?
Okay. Well, we'll put that in the link too. We'll put that in the link too.
Okay.
All right. So we're gonna take a little walk in the neighborhood. They just bought this house about a year ago up here, and they've done a lot of renovation. They put new roof on it too, right?
Yeah.
New roof, everything. They've been doing good. It looks pretty. It's getting together. All right, so let's go. Where is the river?
There, over there.
So let's walk down towards the river.
We walk 5 minutes only.
5 minutes away?
Oh, okay.
Oh, okay. So we go. So what's this barangay called?
Barangay Aquino Village, Phase 2.
Oh, okay.
Aquino Village,
Aquino Village.
Phase 2.
Right. Phase 2?
Yeah, Phase
Okay.
2.
And even here you have construction going on. People are building and doing good. It's pretty weather today though. It's a little hot. Oh, look at all those roasters. Yeah. They have several roasters. No fights now, right?
Yeah.
No more fights. You stay a little close to this thing if you're talking. And then we're just gonna head on down to the river. They said they have a river down here, right? So we are going to do that. But anyway, this is a typical little Filipino community. Sometimes when I blog, I'll just film it, and then when I get home and edit, then I put the voice on. So I have my home microphone, and I put the voice on that way.
That's good.
Yeah, it's kind of fun to do it that way. That way you can script it a little bit.
Yeah. But the river is over there.
What?
The river.
River is over here?
Yeah, there's that.
Okay, so let's go down there and then we'll take a...
Are you sure you take down there? Because you're falling down there.
Oh, is it deep?
It's down there.
All right.
Oh my God.
What's the river called?
I don't know what it's called here.
Yeah. But it's one of those. Coming from the mountains a little bit. Little dogs everywhere, huh? Can you get out here also, or do you have to go this way?
Yeah. Oh, there's the river.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Here we see. And that's the what bridge is that?
I don't know how to call the bridge. It's called bridge only. And
So is that the highway though?
yeah, it's highway going. I don't know where it's going. That.
Oh, okay.
that way.
Well, it's probably SETX or NLEX, right? So that's cool. All right. So
Sir,
yes,
what's this?
it's my blog. How are you?
Shocking.
Yeah, good. So they banked it with concrete and everything. So that's pretty cool.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Sir,
Yeah.
you put your under that.
What are you saying?
She should see you back your country now.
No.
So that's the river. They have a. I don't know if you're walking there because it's so dangerous walking there.
Right. Where?
There.
Is it dangerous?
Yeah.
Why
I
is-
don't know if you walk there
Why is it dangerous?
because the river you see.
Oh yeah. No, we're not going to go down here. So apparently some people live down here by the river too, right? Some people live down here also.
Yeah.
Okay. Here we have a packed up jeepney.
Yeah. They're going again. Oh.
Right. So they can get out this way. All right.
Okay, that's all I showed to you. Tour.
Yeah,
The river.
there's tour, the river. The streets are not fully developed, but anyway, this is the reality how people live here in many places, including the provinces. And this is actually part of Mabalacat city, right? So it's almost smack downtown, but you go to the side a little bit, and you end up right here.
Very hot.
Yeah, it's hot today. Sun is out, and but that's okay. That is okay.
It's okay to record. They have a background music.
Yeah.
It's okay
Well, when background music comes like that,
because
I take it out in the edit.
because it's copyright, right?
Yeah, it could cost you to have a copyright strike,
Oh,
but when I edit the video,
okay.
I listen to the music, and if it's too much, then I'll bring it down a little bit, and then I'll put my own music on it.
Oh, really? Because I
Okay.
don't know how to put my music because if I have vlogging, they have a background music. So
Right.
that's why I copyright my video. So
Yeah. Well, you do that, but so for instance, karaoke, all that,
yeah,
you all get strikes. Yeah. Some are not bad though,
yeah,
you know, because the problem becomes when you get monetized
Well,
and
yeah,
they run ad on that video,
yeah.
the money doesn't come to you, or
Yeah,
sometimes it goes to the guy that actually made the music,
Yeah.
and sometimes they allow you to split it, so you split, and all right, so here we're back again. He just showed me the river. Oh, I didn't go down.
Hadlok iya diri kayo.
I don't want to go down to the river. It's a big, no, but it's a big concrete. It's a big concrete barrier going down there. You don't want to slip down there, roll down. So.
Meron kantubuhan. Iya na po diri.
All right. So what's the name of your blog?
Mariana's vlog.
Brianna's blog.
Mariana's.
Mariana. Okay. So we'll put that in the description too, a little link to it, so you can subscribe and
Follow us, guys.
follow.
Follow my
Yeah.
page siya. Oh, good.
So there has been a lot of bloggers coming up
Yeah.
lately. Even in the family, you have your sister in Las Vegas, right? Eloisa in Australia, she is also doing a blog, and she's doing good too, right? Yeah. So that's cool. All right. Oh, what's up, Manana? She always comes on my live feed. We have live feed every Sunday morning, 9:15. I have a live feed.
Yeah, I see it. Your channel. I watching always.
Well, why don't you come in? You can come in on camera
I
and
don't know
talk.
how. I don't know how to join.
You know, yeah. Well, that'd be part of it. What I'll do in the chat I put out a link. You click the link, then you put the StreamYard link, and then you can be live with me. Oh yeah. So every Sunday. So every Sunday at 9:15 we're doing the live. So if you're up, you don't sleep all day like she does, right? we have gotten, it's not just you. I have gotten into that bad habit. We stay up to 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and then I don't want to get up at 7. So. But anyway, Sundays we have that blog. So and it's a live feed, and everybody's welcome. Give your 10 cents on what's going on in life in Philippines. So yeah, so this is her house that she bought a year ago. All right, and you have done a lot of. You did the roof, Lisa. You did the roof repair too, right?
Yeah.
Brand new roof. Let's see it. That looks cool, and I like the colors. Yeah. 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 Look at that. All blue roof. You see it, guys? So that's what they're doing. They've been doing repairs. I'm not going to talk about money and how much they spent, but they spent more money on upgrades and repairs than they actually spent on buying the house and the lot. So, is this part of your? Is this part of your lot too?
Yeah,
Here,
yeah.
all the way to the corner.
Yeah.
All right, so it's good, and she has a sorry store in here and everything. That's pretty cool. All right, I like it. Better than paying rent. You don't know? Do you want to pay rent or do you want to live for free? All right.
Someday.
Yeah. Yeah. So here's the little fella that got a haircut. Are you happy now? Huh? You happy now? You got a haircut. All right. All right, guys. There's a little tour around the property, and like I said, it's a typical Filipino community. All right, that's it for this video, guys, and we see you soon again at the next video. God bless, take care of everybody, and hit that subscribe button and the bell. Bye bye for now. Wait, don't click that button unless, of course, you hit the subscribe button, and then you can move on. And while you're down there, hit the notification button as well. And if you leave a like or a comment, we will personally respond to you on all or any request you might have. And thank you for watching, and we'll see you again at the next video.